Okay, so أفضل, this is مضاف. الكتب, this is مضاف إليه. مضاف إليه put together. Remember, it's a beginning of a sentence, so it's going to be the Mubtada. Okay, so أفضل الكتب مضاف إليه. And so all of this, we can safely say that this is going to be the Mubtada. And then we've got the Khabar. So الذي is موصول, and every موصول requires sila, so all of this is going to be sila. أنزل is fi'l plus the fa'il, and the who, this is the maf'ul bihi, and the, oops, sorry, it's not the fa'il, the file's already there, my mistake. So this is the fa'il here. Okay, so give it a dhamma because marfu, all files are marfu. And so all of this fi'l, fa'il and maf'ul bihi actually become the sila. Sila plus the mawsul put together become the khabar. Okay, khabar plus the mubtada becomes jumla ismiya khabariya. Okay, so this, all of this will become the khabar. Now you can't really make this, you can't make alladhi into a sifa of kutub, because kutub is jama, plural, and alladhi, if you wanted to make it a sifa, you'd have to use allati, the feminine version, allati. So you can't use alladhi for plurals. That's why we can't make that into a, sifa of kutub. And that's it. Okay, if you actually wanted to make that into a sifa, then what you'd have to do, you'd have to change this to allati. This would have to become ha. Okay, and then all of that would actually become one mubtada. All of this would become the mubtada overall, and then the khabar will be missing. So then it would translate as afdal kutub, the best of the best books which Allah has sent down are, and then the khabar is missing, and you can put the khabar in. Okay, but we haven't done like that, so we've done it the other way, which means the best books are the one that Allah has revealed. Okay, so I hope that helps. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Jazakumullah khair for watching this video. I hope to see all of you guys. If you guys are interested, please leave us feedback, get in contact with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.